So this is a handheld GPS, so which consists light button, back button, and this is the one key which can operate by making up and down, or we can making left and right movement, and which has menu button and forward and backward button. So today experiment is selection and marking of route by using handheld GPS. So now first, by using light key, we have to switch on the handheld GPS. So once you switch on the handheld GPS by using this knob, so we can make a movement of menu by left or right or up and down. So in this menu, then we have to come for route planner. So now we have to enter the route planner. So in this we have to go for create route. So now I am going to entering on create route. So it is asking to select first point. Now again I am going to entering on that to select first point. To select first point, we can use map or waypoints, all poles, cities, photos and recent finds. So now for select first point, so I'll go through cities and I'll select Bangalore. So again I have to enter use. Then I have to select second point, entered on select point. Next, to select second point, I have to go through the waypoints. In that I will select second point as Hassan. So again I am going to enter use. So now second point is selected. Now I will go to next point in the same way. So I will go with waypoints and I will select my third point as Mysore. Entered use. Then I will select next point again by waypoints. I will select next point Mandya. Entered use. So then lastly again I am going to select last point by using cities. So my last point is Bangalore. Enter use. So once your selection of point is completed, then we have to enter this back pattern to save route. So now my route is 6. So I can view the route. So in this route view, these are all the options: view map, I can view the elevation plot, change the name, reverse route, and I can delete the route. So now I go through the view map. So this is the map. My starting point is Bangalore and it will move with Hassan, Mysore and Mandya, and again it will go with Bangalore. It will end with Bangalore. Okay, this is how we are going to select and marking of route by handheld GPS. Thank you.